step is to take from the top 3 locks. These 3 locks went up. Next thing we're doing is coming down. So we're gonna take 3 locks, 4 locks here. It's coming down. Get them out of the way. Now, from the bottom ponytail, we're going up. Just in case I didn't mention it, we're taking locks up from the bottom ponytail. So keep that in mind. We have 4 locks going up. Now we're gonna go ahead and come down. This is 4 locks down. Secure it. 3 locks going up. Clip out of the way. Very routine. We got locks going up. Now we're gonna have locks coming down. I'm gonna take 4 locks to come down. Clip out of the way. And the last 3 from the ponytail, we're gonna take up. This last section actually came down. The locks that are actually coming down, we're gonna take some rubber bands. I have 3 small rubber bands here that I'm going to go ahead and secure on the locks that are actually hanging down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rubber bands on here. We have the rubber band on there. We can go ahead and let the top ones down. So I'm gonna remove my clips, remove those, let it down, okay? Now, as you can see, it looks kind of crazy. We're just gonna pull it down just like that. Just pull them down. Now that we have all of our hair separated, we're going to go ahead and start going to work. We're going to take the
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. He's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press rewind. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want her more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vkillz, bad man, Ponytail, instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, take you there. Pull up. Man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video on your Instagram, on your Facebook, wherever you share cool stuff. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think about this stacked bubble ponytail. Also, subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.